from Ashdam Solar. We are into installation, sales of solar energy products, solar panels, inverters, solar batteries, and solar home systems. That's what we do at Ashdam Solar. I'm here at our Ashdam Solar mega shop, and I want to introduce some of our products to you. Right here we have inverters. This is a Janus inverter and this is a luminous inverter. In Ashdam Solar, I would like to let you know that we deal with premium brands that you install and you have peace of mind. Not brands that you install and then after 3 months it starts giving you headache. That's what we do at Ashdam Solar. We only install premium brands. So we have inverters, we have DC fans that you can use with solar energy. We have some solar fans that you can use. We have some solar lanterns also. Lanterns that comes with radio, lanterns that can charge phones, and we have intelligent solar street lights. I like this intelligent solar street light because of the word intelligent. Why is it intelligent? It comes on and goes up by itself, and then it also has a motion sensor. When someone moves closer to it in the night, it becomes brighter. Now you don't have to be home for this to work. It comes on and goes up by itself. So it is highly intelligent. It has a photo sensor that senses sunset and sunrise. So it comes on at sunset and goes off at sunrise by itself. And it also has a motion sensor. Now the solar panel is also included in it, and the battery is also included in it. So once you have this, you just mount it to your wall. You don't need to run extra cable for this to work. You don't need to run an extra cable for it to work. And this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is the solar panel and this is the light. But this light is super bright. Now let me check this for you. I'll just put it on my body so I don't see sun rays. I'll put it there and then now this is just test mode. So you can see how bright it is. You can see how bright this is. So this is the motion, this is the intelligent solar street. And then you also have this home lighting system. Now this is also a superb product. It is called a solar home lighting system. And it comes with 4 bulbs. So that means you can use it in 4 rooms. It is super bright and it is quite affordable also. It is quite affordable. And this also charges phone. And it also powers a mini fan. Now where is the fan? Now it powers this mini fan. It powers this mini fan. And most times when we do promo on this, we sell this and then you get this for free. So this is a mini fan that you can power with your laptop. You can also use our solar power bank with radio and lantern with it. I'll show you that solar power bank in a couple of minutes. So this product, it comes with 4 bulbs. This is how the bulb looks like, and it also has a solar panel, inbuilt solar panel. So this is the solar panel. It comes with this solar panel, and it comes with the lightings, 4 of these, and it comes with this power pack. It comes with this power pack also, and you can also use PHCN to charge it. So it has 2-way charging, and then you can also charge your phone with it. Now where's the phone charging point? You can also use this to charge your phone with it. Right here we have a solar lantern. This solar lantern can be on for up to 110 hours, up to 100 hours, and the minimum hours is 18 hours. And then it also has, this is the minimum, and then you can increase it. And it also has a radio. It also has a radio. So this also has a radio which you can use to keep yourself busy while you have solar lantern. You have the solar lamp and then you can also listen. So let me just reduce this. So you can keep yourself busy or have some entertainment in your house with the solar radio, and you still have the lights. And then you can also charge your phone. So when you have this, you have some comfort in your house, and these are quite affordable products. Now we have mega solar system that will come to our house. We install a big solar system in your house, and we power a lot of appliances in your house, like your TVs, your fans, your laptops, your refrigerators, and all the basic things in your house. We have those big solar installation also. So in case you want to do solar installation for your house, you can contact Ashdam Solar, and our phone number is 08034284936. 08034284936. And we also have quite affordable products, like for students. Maybe you have a child that needs to go to the boarding house, and you want the child to have light to be able to read when others are sleeping at night. We have all this kind of solutions. Or you have people in the rural areas, and you want to install mini solar system for them. We also do that. Yeah, you'll be amazed at how affordable some of our products are. So you'll be amazed at that. So if you have parents you want to install for, or you have families in the rural area you want to install for, then contact Ashdam Solar. You can visit our website at www.ashdamsolar.com. That is ASHDAM Solar SOLAR.com. Or you can visit our office behind Blue Food and Wine or behind Alpha Photos in Challenge in Ibadan. That is where our head office is located. Now we also have some superb lights. We call these energy savers. These are quite energy saving. Now if you are using prepaid meter, this is the way to go. You should stop using all those incandescent solar lights, incandescent bulbs, those yellow old type bulbs. And even if you are using these energy saving bulbs that the people call energy saving, and they are coiling, they are not as energy saving as this. Now if you are using that one at 26 watts, this one is 5 watts. So that means the energy one of that will be consuming, 5 of these will replace it, which could be some people in like maybe 3-bedroom apartments. You have 5 lighting points. And now if you are using those incandescent bulbs like 100 watts, that means one of that is consuming 20 of this. 20 of this, just one bulb is consuming it. So now imagine, assuming you are using PHCN, you're going to be saving a lot of money if you are using prepaid meter, if they're not giving you the general bill. If you are using prepaid meter, this is going to be saving you a lot of money. And if you are using solar energy or inverter system, your inverter system and solar energy is going to be lasting for long hours. So that means you don't have short of power. You wake up in the middle of the night, you need light. Early in the morning, you want to do the morning runs. You have light. So I'll employ us to change our bulbs to these energy saving bulbs, and we have them in Ashdam Solar, quite affordable. So you can contact us again on 08034284936, and that is Ashdam Solar number. And you can also visit our website www.ashdamsolar.com. Here we have our solar charge controllers. You need this to control what your solar panel is giving you to your battery. So we have solar charge controllers in our office, in our shop, in our solar shop. We have different types of solar charge controllers. Now, this is another type of charge controller. This is superb. This is MPPT. This is maximum power point tracking charge controller. We also have this in our office. And of course, we have solar panels. We have solar panels that we mount on the roof for us, and you can use it to power your house. And we have solar fans. Now the weather is so hot, and you need comfort. If you have babies that can't sleep at night, or even you can't sleep at night, and you need that comfort of blowing of air to you. So we have solar fans that come with solar panels, and you can also use PCN to charge it. So it's also rechargeable. So you can charge it with PCN, you can charge it with solar. So we have solar fans, and we also have batteries, high quality batteries. That's only what we do with high quality batteries. So you contact Ashdam Solar for all your solar and inverter solutions. Contact Ashdam Solar. We'll be expecting your call, and we are waiting to see you in our office. Thank you. Right now we are having an exhibition outside our office on the main road. We're having a roadside exhibition, exhibiting different solar products. All the products I've mentioned to you earlier on, the solar fan, the energy saving lights, the solar lanterns, our batteries, inverters, solar charge controllers. We are exhibiting all these by the roadside, and I invite you to follow me out there and see some of these appliances. Bye. Hi, so I'm at our roadside exhibition show now, and this is our stand right here, where we are attending to some of our clients by the roadside right there in Challenge Ibadan.